Fellas, have you ever wondered why some guys just seem to have that magic touch? The ability to turn a woman on effortlessly? Well, the secret isn't just about where you touch her, but how you do it. In this video, I'll reveal 3 key areas on a woman's body that, when touched the right way, can make her crave you instantly. Number 1. The small of her back. This is one of the most underrated yet powerful spots on a woman's body, the small of her back. Why it works? It's an intimate yet non-invasive touch. It creates a sense of security and control, which many women find incredibly attractive. It activates nerve endings that send subtle tingles down her spine. How to do it right? Place your hand gently on the lower back when guiding her through a doorway or across the street. Lightly run your fingers across this area during a hug or close conversation. Apply gentle pressure when pulling her in for a kiss. It builds tension and desire. This move is dominant, protective, and seductive all at once. Try it next time and see how she reacts. Number 2. The nape of her neck. Next up, one of the most sensitive erogenous zones on a woman's body, the nape of her neck. Why it works? The skin here is extra sensitive due to nerve endings. It triggers a rush of pleasure and anticipation. It's a primal attraction spot. Even animals in the wild go for this area during mating rituals. How to do it right? Start with a soft touch. Run your fingers lightly from her hairline down to her shoulders. Whisper something deep and slow near her ear. It sends shivers down her spine. Light kisses or gentle nibbles on the back of her neck can ignite instant chemistry. Bonus tip: play with her hair while doing this. It enhances the sensation and makes her melt. Number 3. The inside of her wrist. This last one might surprise you, but it's an absolute game changer. The inside of her wrist. Why it works? The skin here is thin and ultra sensitive to touch. It's unexpected, which makes it even more seductive. It subtly increases sexual tension without being too aggressive. How to do it right? When holding her hand, lightly brush your thumb along her wrist. If you're sitting close, run your fingers softly over this area. Watch her reaction. Try kissing this spot gently. It's intimate, unexpected, and deeply sensual. Women love small, subtle touches like this because they show intent, confidence, and control. Master this, and she'll feel an irresistible pull toward you. So there you have it, 3 simple yet powerful spots that can turn a woman on instantly. The small of her back, the nape of her neck, the inside of her wrist. Try these out and watch her reaction. But remember, it's not just about where you touch, it's about how you do it. Confidence, timing, and subtlety are key.